Human-computer interaction, or HCI, is a critical field that focuses on improving the interaction between users and computer systems. While significant progress has been made in designing more user-friendly and efficient systems, several common problems still persist. These issues can negatively impact user experience, leading to frustration, errors, and even the complete exclusion of certain user groups. Addressing these challenges is essential for creating systems that are accessible, user-friendly, and efficient for all users. Let's break down the 4 primary problems. First, let's talk about interface issues. Poorly designed interfaces are one of the most common problems in HCI. Since the interface is the primary channel through which users interact with the system, its design can make or break the user experience. Common interface flaws include untidy layouts that confuse navigation paths, making it extremely difficult to locate important features. These flaws lead directly to confusion, inefficiency, and increased errors. For example, consider an e-commerce website with an untidy menu. If it has too many options, a user searching for simple electronics might have to hunt through an extensive list of completely unrelated categories, causing immediate frustration. Second, we face accessibility challenges. Accessibility in HCI refers to designing systems that can be used easily by people with a wide range of abilities and disabilities. Unfortunately, many modern platforms are built without accessibility in mind, presenting massive roadblocks for users with visual, auditory, motor, or cognitive impairments. These gaps happen because designers fail to fully consider the diverse needs of all potential users. For instance, a website lacking alternative text, or alt text features, for its graphics, is entirely inaccessible to visually impaired individuals relying on screen readers. Similarly, a mobile app that relies solely on sound alerts can be entirely unusable by individuals with hearing impairments. Third, we have performance issues. Systems that are slow or unresponsive severely damage overall usability. Users expect modern software to react rapidly to inputs, and any noticeable lag drops productivity and spikes frustration. These performance drops stem from bad system optimization, excessive resource hogs, or network latency. When a system fails to load content efficiently, users often abandon their tasks completely. Imagine an online banking application that takes an excessive amount of time to load account details or clear basic transactions. Users quickly become impatient and rightfully worried about the security of their data, causing them to avoid using the app entirely in the future. Fourth is poor error handling and feedback. Effective feedback loops are absolute requirements for a user-friendly system. When users encounter an unexpected glitch, they need immediate, constructive feedback detailing what went wrong and how to fix it. Platforms with inadequate error communication leave users confused, leading to repeat mistakes. Conversely, good error handling lets users recover with absolute confidence. Consider a web form submission. If someone leaves a required field blank or enters incorrect text formats, the system should show a crisp notification like, "Please enter a valid email address." Without this active guidance, users cannot understand why their submission failed, prompting them to abandon the form entirely. By cleaning up layouts, engineering for deep accessibility, maintaining fast performance, and executing clear error feedback, we can build digital interfaces that genuinely serve everyone. Which of these 4 common HCI problems drives you crazy the most when you're online? Drop your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to click that like button, share this video with your fellow tech enthusiasts, and subscribe to keep elevating your system design skills.